Hi everyone! When we talk about single-pass printing, most people think it's all about printing. But in reality, it's about 20% printing and 80% material handling. That 80% is what really determines your consistency and profitability. You might need to print on different materials such as sticks, long skinny ones, or plastic rulers, or disposable containers in plastic or aluminum materials. How about phone cases, or on round shape like this cover, or flexible materials such as shopping bags, or printing on the sidewall of a container? The challenge is, you almost never print one or two pieces. You are printing hundreds or thousands or more. That is where the smart material handling becomes critical. Let me show you a simple example with a stack of rulers. I place the stack into the feeder. The conveyor takes them one by one. Each ruler moves through the print station in a single pass. On the other side, they are stacked after printing. So what you're seeing is not just printing, it's controlled feeding, positioning, and stacking. Now imagine doing this for repetitive thousands of times. For that scenario, Innojet Solutions provides an automatic feeding system that replaces manual placement process and precisely place the object before printing, and a take-up system that automatically stacks printed parts with piece count. We make sure the entire process, from feeding to printing to stacking, is stable, repeatable, and ready for high-volume production. At Innojet Solutions, we integrate printing with material handling automation. We help you choose the right equipment, optimize production process, and most importantly, provide US-based technical support to keep your line running. For more information, visit www.innojetsolutions.com or call 1-855-478-3288.